Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So just starting off on the weekly here, I just want to get this weekly level in place, and then there's pretty much those two levels that I want to get in place on the weekly. So we are top of range, top of consolidation area, top of flag as well, top of inverse head and shoulders. So, the levels that we're bumping at the moment are definitely very, very crucial to the strategies that you're going to be using going forward. So, what I mean by that is a clear break and retest of the structure sets you up for some long-term gains, and should I say medium-term gains, probably going into the close of the year, but that's already been 28% move in the market, and we've consolidated over the year, because when was this? It was October last year when we started the move. So from October last year, got moving, spent most of the year just ranging, mucking about, and now we've got 0.5% basis point cuts in interest rates. Not sure what the forecast is going forward, but this is definitely something you need to pay attention, because a break and retest of this zone, you are looking at a continuation of it. So that's another 4,000 point move to the upside. Dropping down to the 8 hour, excuse me, you can see there is the previous all-time high area. It's not exact, but it is at 89,965, 89,700 area. And you can see the chaos that we had yesterday, even though we had a positive news. If I drop down to the 3 hour, you can see massive rejection bar, and then this morning with the Asian bar, you've got another tail. Yeah, so I'm not entirely comfortable with the picture that we see at the moment, and when we get down to the hour, it becomes a little bit clearer. So you see this massive rejection bar based on good news. Well, ask yourself how many retail traders got trapped in this rejection bar. So saw the news, played the news, and then flipped around and got their stops taken. Happens so often. But for me at the moment, what we're seeing here is the Asian reaction to the news, and I'm not convinced that that's European action just yet. And I'm also haven't seen what noise came along with the rate cut, because there definitely would have been some narrative that came along. And just judging on the reaction, the price action here, there was probably some noise around the case. Well, we don't expect another rate cut for the next 6 months or something like that. So that's definitely what has transpired here. Anyway, for me today, I would, let's go back to the hour, just pick up a daily high here, because that is the closest that we're going to get, and I'll give it to you now. But if you look at that, this is what I'm looking for. Looking for price to come back to 18,800, 18,820, build a base here, and then get going. That's kind of my view at the moment. Moves to the downside, I don't even think it's worth looking at that. This trend is to the upside. It's just really messy. So wait for the pullback into this zone. So it's 18,820, 18,780. There's definitely structure here. I'd wait for a pullback into this area, and then you are looking to target 18,965, and then I'd put a trailing stop in, because you probably hit 18,700 before pulling back onto some more structure, and that's going to give you the second opportunity for longs. I don't think we're going to break through this in one go, not based on the price action of yesterday. Anyway, so that's kind of my view for today. Definitely looking for longs, and I would be playing with smaller position sizes, not really trying to commit too much until we actually get going properly. Then you can start getting your position size back to normal. But this could be the start of the new normal for the next couple of months, going into the close of the year at least. So Christmas rally, anybody? I think that is very much on the cards right now, as the charts are saying. Anyway, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.